In this video, I will show you guys how to join Plants vs. Brainrot's Discord server in 2025. But before we get started, make sure you go down there and subscribe and like this video and comment what videos you want to see next. Alright, first up is just to create a Discord account if you don't already have one. Now, just go to the Discover page. Once you're here, you can just click on Add a Server. It should be on your dashboard. Now once you're here, it's going to ask you to create your own server, but what you want to do is go down there and click on join a server. Now it's going to pop up a invite link, and all you got to do is just type out Plants vs. Brainrot with no spaces and no capitals. Once you have it typed out, just click on join a server. Now once you're in the server, you can now customize your profile. You can get pinged for giveaways or trading. You can even have cool roles inside this Discord server. In this Discord server, you can interact with other people and trade. So if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like.